All right, so we have a look at the room. Are we wood shielded?
No, żeby zasłonić firanką, tak?
Yeah, the other recommendation is like just to put the fabric nova on the window and then on both sides and paint inside and put the mesh underneath. So
That's a
it
good
will
idea.
be
So
like
what?
a box.
Have a curtain here.
Yeah.
Yep. So you could make almost like half a canopy, fabric on both sides of the bed.
Fabryka, materiał po bokach łóżka, nie?
All right,
Tutaj
and
firankę.
paint here and there.
I pomalować cały środek, góra, dół.
Okay.
Na dole siatka.
That's, you know, a good approach.
So you put like a rail here for the fabric, like
Yeah.
a curtain? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
At least looks like it still looks nice.
Yeah. However, I do think, as we have electric fields everywhere, I think doing this with paint, even that with paint and that with paint, and having this open so close to the bed, that we're still going to get electric fields in there.
Znaczy mówię, że mimo, że tu pomalujemy wszystko, pomalujemy tu fabryka, nie? Materiał, ale przez to, że to jest taka otwarta przestrzeń, nadal pewnie dostaniemy to pole elektryczne.
Wouldn't it be better, instead of having it here, putting it here, then it shields, how do you say, also kind of towards the living room maybe?
Yeah, it gives a bit more
Gives
space.
a little more space. So this is for sure shielded, but also otherwise, if radio frequency comes in, right, it kind of maybe bounces off here and goes into the.
Yeah, a little bit more. I think the more
Yeah.
you shield, the better.
So it's like fabric nova here and here as well.
No, then
Oh,
just
only
here.
here.
Just here.
Just
Yeah.
here.
Zapytać, czy ta tkanina nowa też ekranuje nie tylko przed polem elektromagnetycznym, ale przed polem elektrycznym?
Nie.
Nie, elektrycznego nie.
Nie, tylko farba.
But it is the walls and the floor that is giving us electric fields. So I would think we want to do the entire floor with GPA mesh, not just under the bed.
Okej. Co potem widzimy całą siatkę do końca, nie? Nie tylko ten kawałek, bo pole elektryczne idzie z podłogi, idzie ze ścian.
We want to shield this entire wall with T98.
Czyli cała ściana farbą.
All right, and yeah, given that we do have radio frequency radiation, it might not in the rest of the house. It wouldn't be a bad idea to bring that T98 up. Just do the whole thing. You're painting anyway.
Do góry, nie? Pomalować.
Right. Then here your problem is going to be the walls. So easy fix is just paint the walls, paint the ceiling. You lose the timber look, but it's easy done. One weekend, you got that done.
Pomalować wszystko tutaj, te ściany, łącznie z tamtą ścianą, nie?
Right. Or get your carpenter to come in, pull the coverings off, paint underneath, or mesh, paint is better, and then put the coverings back on, and then you retain the timber look.
What did you say? What is better? Did you say paint or mesh underneath?
Paint has much better performance
yeah,
in terms of
okay.
deflection than mesh does. So if you've got a concrete wall behind that wood, well, I would paint it. I wouldn't do mesh.
Okay.
Do the better stuff. So then you've got a nice big space covered. That door opening you could put Nova fabric in on a rail.
Tam powiesić fabrykę, ten materiał na wejście, nie?
Or it looks like there might even be a pocket door there. That could be closed.
Yeah. This is the stairs to go up.
Oh,
You
okay.
slide it for the staircase.
Is
I
it
mean,
solid or does it have holes in it?
Oh, like this.
Oh no, just a ladder.
Okay, just a ladder, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, then you'd have to put some Nova fabric in the door opening.
Tam materiał idzie na zasłony.
Yeah.
And that open.
Yeah, well, that's the only.
Or do it
Here,
railer.
Yeah, you could put a rail across.
Yeah.
So for radio frequency radiation, you've got all sides covered. The only thing you're left with is that here you have an opening. Right, you've got no shielding here. So if you had that shielded with shielding paint, then you at least would have a barrier in one direction. You could go there, but that's a whole big panel. It's not going to be pretty, but you could suggest it. Say, well, you know, if you get a curtain person, you could put a rail here and a rail above here, and you could have a curtain going this way and use fabric. I don't think that'll even look that bad. Because you can do, you know, like sometimes you have windows on an angle, you can get curtains on that as well.
Druga